Everyone's talking about AI as the future. But what if you're the product, not the user? What if that pricey all-in-one AI tool you bought becomes more of a burden than a boost, draining your budget, complicating your workflow, weakening your relationship with clients, or exposing your data? Today, we're cutting through the hype. We'll help you explore how to use AI well, without letting it use you, and how being lean, adaptable, like a business in Meydan Free Zone is your strongest advantage. Let's dive in. Welcome back to the Meydan Free Zone channel. This episode is all about navigating the AI boom smartly, especially for solopreneurs and SMEs. We'll look at what's working, what's risky, and how you can get real ROI from AI, not just flashy demos and big promises. If you've ever wondered whether the tool or trend is controlling you, this one's for you. First, what is the current AI ecosystem, like here in the UAE and Middle East, and why does it matter? Dubai has launched initiatives like Dub AI, a platform in partnership with the Dubai Centre for Artificial Intelligence, DCAI. And Digital Dubai lets the residents, businesses and visitors access services and information powered by generative AI in real time. Under the Dubai Universal Blueprint for Artificial Intelligence, often called Dub AI, there are ambitious targets. Add 100 billion dirham annually to Dubai's economy through AI adoption. Increase productivity by up to 50%. Embedded AI across strategic sectors. Introduce novel licensing, data infrastructure, AI incubators, and more. Meanwhile, a recent PwC Middle East report, Value in Motion, the Middle East's time to lead is now, projects that all of AI adoption is done well and responsibly. The region could unlock $232 billion in additional economic value by 2035. But for SMEs and solo founders, the energy and promises come with challenges. Here are some of the pitfalls that are not talked about enough. 1. Cost creep. AI tools often attract subscription fees, usage fees, and hidden costs. Data storage, computing power, API calls. What seemed affordable at first can often escalate fast. 2. Complexity or implementation overhead. Training staff, integrating with existing systems, ensuring compatibility. Sometimes the tool requires more custom setup or tweaking than you would expect. 3. Over-automation. Losses of human touch. If every touchpoint with your client is automated, you might lose trust, nuance, and the personal relationship that differentiates you. 4. Data privacy ethics and security risks. Who owns the data you feed into this AI? Is it stored securely? What if your tool's AI model leaks private client information? Regulation in the UAE is advancing, but not every provider meets the same standard. 5. Vendor lock-in. Once you depend on a complex AI suite, migrating away is often difficult because data formats, integrations, and workflows are tied. If pricing increases or quality drops, you're stuck. These risks aren't theoretical. They cost time, money, and reputation. Okay, so how do you use AI rather than be used by it? Here are practical guardrails. Start small, with a specific problem. Pick 1 or 2 tools for narrowly defined tasks. For example, automating invoice reminders, summarizing emails, chat support. Measure results, costs, and impact. Keep the human element. Use AI to assist, not replace. For example, use AI to generate draft content, but have you or a team member edit it. Use AI for data crunching, but humans for decision making. Monitor costs closely. Track how much you spend on usage, compute, and subscription. Check ROI. Time saved, errors reduced, revenue increased. If ROI goes negative, reevaluate. Choose providers with strong data policies and local compliance. In Dubai, the Dubai Al Seal is an example. It certifies trusted AI companies for transparency, security, and credibility. If you partner with AI companies certified under that, you lower the risk. Built-in exit or change flexibility. Avoid being locked into a proprietary format. Keep backups out of raw data. When evaluating tools, consider what happens if you stop using them. Upskill yourself or your team. Use educational programs like the 1 Million Prompters initiative under Dubai's AI Blueprint, or the new Dubai AI Academy. Understanding prompt engineering and the basics of how generative AI works helps you make smarter choices. If you're listening right now and thinking, how do I move forward? Here are some steps. 1. Audit your current workflows. Where are you spending the most time? What tasks could benefit from automation and intelligence? 2. Research tools. Don't pick on hype. Look for free trials, review cost per usage, data policies, and support. 3. Run small tests. Pick a single process to automate or augment. Measure the savings or improvement. If positive, scale gradually. 4. Maintain touch with customers manually for important interactions. Let AI help, not replace the core trust-building moments. 5. Revisit your legal compliance setup. If you're handling customer data, confirm you are compliant with the UAE data protection laws, AI governance best practices, and, if relevant, look for partners or AI providers certified with the Dubai Al Seal. 6. Keep learning. Programs like 1 Million Prompters, Dubai AI Academy, plus attending workshops or meetups. The space is moving fast. What works today may often soon be outdated. In the end, AI isn't magic. It's a tool, a powerful one, but only if you stay in control. If you use it well, you can amplify your impact, reduce tedious tasks, and serve clients better. If you let it control you, you risk wasting money, compromising relationships, and worse, compromising trust. Here in Meydan Free Zone, you have agility, speed, credibility, all of which give you leverage in the AI gold rush. Thanks for joining me. If you learned something, drop a comment on what AI tool you're using or thinking of trying. What worries you about AI? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay curious, stay cautious, and above all, stay in control. Catch you in the next episode.